Casey from Johnny's Tavern, Power and Light, Kansas City. We're proud to be home of the Tigers' every spring NIAA basketball championship. Several years ago, we created a bomb in honor of our Fort Hays State University fans. The shot includes Fireball and Dr. Pepper. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. Until then, be safe and cheers.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And we have a long history with Johnny's, dating all the way back to the original Johnny's in Lawrence for, I think, for the 26 years I've been president, at least 8 or 10 of those years we've had events at the old facility, or the original facility, I guess, in Lawrence, so it's only appropriate that we're here. And when we came last night, we had such a great turnout. Everyone noticed there was a flag missing. And so we have agreed to provide them a flag, and they want to fly it here at Johnny's. But their liability insurance won't cover the president climbing up the ladder. And so we're going to present this flag. Tigers. There's a difference. There's a difference. So here you go.
You're not going to be able to stay at all.
Okay.
So we're just going to have to tell people.
Got it? All right. My job is to catch him. Oh, yes, please.
Yeah, I'm doing our black and
Now you know why they didn't want me up there. Yeah. She has hung every one of the flags in the building as part of her job description. Let's give Brian a round of applause. Our athletic director to come up. Both our coaches are busy today. We had Mark Johnson yesterday. He had a day off. But obviously he's getting ready for the ball game in a little more than about an hour from now, an hour and 20 minutes or so. We'll have tip-off. And so I'd like to ask Curtis to come up on behalf of the athletic department. The great job they do. You know, this year we've had conference champion cross-country team. We've had conference championship women's soccer team. We've had qualifiers for NCAA track, and many other, and then of course wrestling, as well as now the men, of course, have won the conference championship. So it's been a great year for athletics. It's all because of the hard work of so many people and because of your support. Thank you very much for everything all of you do. Curtis?
Thank you, Dr. Hammond. And thanks. I think we should give a big hand to our band, cheer, dance that are all here today. They're such a big part of what makes it exciting, I think, in the tournament is having the atmosphere that we do here in Kansas City. And again, it's a big part of that is the role that our cheer, dance, and band play in that. I think is outstanding. But I want to welcome everybody from Hayes here who made the trip as we always do. But I want to give a special welcome to those who are from the Kansas City area here, our alumni. This is sometimes the best opportunity we get to see you all. And for those of you, I wanted to take a few minutes just to talk about what's going on back in Hayes. For those of you who are in this area and haven't been back for a while, we're building an indoor training facility right now. It's going to be done here in June. Don Bickle and Chris here are a big part of that, along with the Schmidt family and of course the efforts of Dr. Hammond to make that a reality. That's going to be done in June. But I bring that up right now because just a couple days ago, for the first time, I walked inside of it. And we've been watching it being built all this time since the fall, and I hadn't really been inside. So I walked in it for the first time the other day. It's got 35-foot high sidewalls that peak at about 42 feet. It's 65 yards of artificial turf, full width, with track, running lanes down the side, and a 5,000 square foot weight room. We're extremely excited about our facilities. We're replacing the turf at the football stadium this summer. We just replaced the turf at the baseball field this fall. There's a lot of exciting development going on, and not only in Tiger Athletics, but at the university as a whole. And so we're anxious for any of you, when you can get a chance to come back to Hayes and see us. We've got a lot to show you, a lot of new stuff to show you when you get back. But for the moment, we got to worry about basketball. And that starts at noon today, and we're thankful you're here, and we're excited about the direction everything's going at Fort Hayes right now. So look forward to seeing you here at noon, and then again tonight, and then hopefully tomorrow afternoon for a couple championship